Hi friends, welcome to Trading Strategies. Today is 27th April. So this is my previous video set up for 27th April. So we'll see that how today we traded as per the levels and as per the trade setup explained on Saturday for Monday trade. So Monday market is over. We'll see the trade and we'll discuss about how we're going to trade on Tuesday, that is 28th April 2020. Straight away we'll go to the daily chart of Nifty. So this is the daily chart of the Nifty. So Nifty is in a decent consolidation zone, has not given any breakout of this zone. So for positional trading we have to wait either side of the breakout. So as per the previous plan, how we traded today, we'll see. Friends, this is the 15 minutes candlestick chart explained on previous video. This is our entry around 9,260 and 40 somewhere. This is the zone where we are supposed to buy. That is the trade setup we explained on Saturday for the Monday trade. Today the price entered into the zone and moved upside. So this is the stop loss below the zone, and today has given a decent target. So 90 points target we put, so we almost achieved. The price went up again, fall back. So for tomorrow's trade, how we will plan? So I'll remove these tools, right? So for tomorrow there is a probability of filling this gap. The 15 minute chart, there is a gap area. So the thing is we have to enter in this zone. So we have to wait the price to come into the zone, then only we can enter. This is the one trade. If suppose price opens in between this, then we'll wait for the breakout. This is the breakout level, note down. This is the breakout level. So 9380 you can put it. If crossed and stay above 9370, then we can go for a long trade. So this type of setup for tomorrow. For positional traders, we have to wait for the daily breakout, right? So this breakout, so this high this candle high is 9,390. So today high is 9,377. So if it is closed above 9,400, we can expect decent rally from here. So up to this area. So this high is 10,100. So in between there is one Fibonacci, that is 9,850 kind of level. So that we have to take care. So this is for the Nifty, and we'll see the Bank Nifty also now. Yeah, this is the Bank Nifty daily candlestick chart. If you see, this trend line is not broken. So the higher side resistance is 20,800 to 21,400 is the resistance zone. So this is on a positional basis, maybe tomorrow or day after. On the downside, this is the decent support around 18,000 and 17,200. This zone will give you a decent support. For intraday trade, yesterday I explained only we will trade the breakout. So today breakout level is 19,950. So what happened today? This is the we can straight away go 15 minutes candle and we'll see. So this is the breakout, right? This candle has given a breakout of previous day high. This is the previous day high. It has given and closed here. The trade is buy, keep a stop loss below this candle. That is the trade setup, right? So what happened? after closing here, that is 19,860, and decently it went up to 20,200. So this way you can have a trade setup. Previous video I explained, if the price closed below this is the demand and this is another demand. So today what happened? Opened and given a breakout on a daily chart. This is the Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, for tomorrow trade also will have only breakout trade. The breakout trade level is this one. So keep a 15 minutes candlestick chart and wait for the breakout. Once the 15 minutes candle closes above this level, then go for a long and keep a stop loss the particular candle low and aim for minimum 100 points profit. So that is the one setup for the Bank Nifty tomorrow, that is 28th April 2020. And one stock I explained in my previous video is Ajanta Pharma. That also given today decent profit. Straight away I am changing to Ajanta Pharma. So this is the Ajanta Pharma. See, today this is the first candle of 15 minutes. First candle itself, it has given a decent breakout at 14,060 and given a decent profit 1512, that is the supply zone. So where we are taken the profit. So friends, I am giving every day one stock to trade for the next day. So today we made good profit in Ajanta Pharma, and the other day G Limited, and one day Reliance. So every day the stock what we are discussing here is giving a decent setup for the next day. So tomorrow's stock, we will identify which stock will give decent profit tomorrow. We will see now. Friends, Ajanta Pharma, one more thing I want to tell you. This is the daily supply area. Today it tested the supply area. If tomorrow it closes above this 1,545, then on a positional basis we can go for a long with a target of 1,650 or 640 we can say. So 100 rupees there is a probability of going upside if breaks here. So you can carefully, but only for positional traders, and keeping a stop loss below 1512, right? So for tomorrow's stock we'll go and we'll see which stock will give decent profit tomorrow. For tomorrow's trade, this is ICICI Pru Life. So today decent up move. If you see this short-term trend is up, and there is some supply here, but the supply may be, the supply zone may be broken and move upside. So tomorrow we'll see how we'll trade. I'll give two trade setups. One is if the price opens somewhere here and breaks today's high, that is 384 rupees 50 paisa is today's high. So it breaks this level 84.50, right? So if breaks this level and sustains, then there is a probability of going high and filling this gap in a 1 or 2 days. If the positional trader also, we can buy and keep a target of here. So 420 kind of levels. If you intraday trader, you aim for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So that we'll see on a 15 minutes chart how we can have a setup. So for target also we can fix for the tomorrow. It went here and fallen back. So it retraced up to 374. If sustained above this 384, then we can expect 400 as a target. right? So on a 15 minutes chart, we'll see. So this is a 15 minutes chart of ICICI Pru. Alright. So if price opens around this 374 tomorrow, the trade setup is here. This is the descent rally took place. It gives a decent demand here, and buy and keep a stop loss below here. This is a one trade setup. The another is a breakout setup, right? So if breaks 384, then we can go for a long and aim for a target of 400 rupees. ICICI Pru is the trade to stock to trade for tomorrow, that is 28th April 2020. So we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty and one stock. So every day I am giving clues for the trading of Nifty, Bank Nifty and one stock every day. This will continue. Please subscribe to this channel. If you like, please share it to your friends and give a thumbs up. Thank you friends. Thank you watching for this video.